Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to do the advanced animation about the canvas, but instead of oval, it's going to be this time. Where is it? Right, a rectangle. Basically, you can say square because it'll make it make it a square. So let's run the code. Okay, if you, as you guys see, look, the squares are moving. This might be actually my quickest video. Okay, it's now square, so you can change this into many different shapes, as you guys can see over here. Okay, see guys? Yeah, so as you guys can see how the thing's moving, right? See, it's moving. So you can change the shape, like not just a square, not rectangle, okay, something like, let's say, um, this is oval. This is rectangle. Now, guys, this green is oval, this red is a square. Look at it. I mean, this is actually basically a circle. As you guys can see here. Okay? So thank you everyone for listening about the video. This is the quickest video about this advanced animation, but you can change the shapes. Okay? You can tell me more shapes in the comments what shapes I can use. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye. Let's put on some music, guys, for the bye. Mm, okay. Oh, okay.